Doing it the stupid way. But we're trying food.
This is the Dairy Queen Cinnamon Roll Blizzard. And that's the dog. It's very sweet. It's almost more like icing than cinnamon roll.
Mm-hmm.
It's like icing and pie crust.
Yeah. I look so much bigger than you because my seat's so much far forward.
It seems like a little bit, there's like a caramel flavor to it.
Mm-hmm. It gives me like apple pie.
Yeah. Apples would go really well in this.
Mm-hmm. And put this on top of like warm apples.
That's about all I have to say about that.
It's yummy.
Mm-hmm. The sweetness almost makes it extra creamy.
Mm-hmm.